It has been a very long time, and I'm so happy to connect with Lovedale through all of you.
Hi, Laurentians from all over the world. March is the month of International Women's Day, and being a woman characterizes us as being so versatile.
Hello, Laurentians. Wherever you are, my warm greetings go out to you. You gave me a chance of teaching you.
Hi friends, it's so good to be here in Lovedale, even though it's a virtual get-together.
Perhaps the first thing I should say about Mrs. Sabapathy is that she looked like a headmistress.
I'm a black ocean leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide.
Leaving behind nights of terror and fear,
I rise.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, gonna send a flood, gonna drown him out. This is brave, this is proof, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
To a man's with love. Yeah. Yes. The favorite was, I'll tell you once, I'll tell you twice, then I will start rolling my eyes.
The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun.
To the Prides of March, do a YouTube Facebook search. Excitement galore like never before on the OL Assembly. Please watch.